Hi guys! Today and for the rest of this week, we're going to actually watch a lot of videos and make some observations that we see happening and occurring in the video. So you will need your science packet. We're going to go over episode 5 and I'm going to do video 1 with you. You are going to do video 2, video 3, and then watch a 4th video on your own. And you're going to do the same thing that we do with video 1 on your other videos. So we're going to be working on this page and this page for the videos. So the first video, we're actually going to watch it together and I'm going to walk you through it. So last week we talked about the states of matter and we also learned about density. This week we're going to watch ice or water change to different states of matter. We're going to make some observations. We're going to draw in this box, what is it we see happening in the video? And then we're going to also try and put what's happening into a cause and effect relationship. Meaning, why do we think what is causing that state of matter to change? Let's start our first video. So have your pencil ready. And as we watch the video, you're going to draw in this box, what are some things that you see happening? Here's our first video. So here we see we have a cup of ice. So you could draw a cup and then draw some ice cubes in your cup. So far, what I have in my notes is I have that I had a cup full of ice and that the ice is slowly melting and turning into water. All right, I want you to think for a little bit. What do you think is happening to the molecules? So last week we learned that the molecules in a solid are packed really close together. And in a liquid, they're a little bit farther apart. So what is happening to the molecules in the ice? So now I drew what the molecules were doing. So first, I know the molecules were in a solid state of matter. And the molecules in a solid state of matter are packed really close together and really tight. So here I have my ice cube, and the molecules are packed really close together. But then my ice cube or my solid turned to a liquid. And I know in a liquid, some molecules are close together, but they start to kind of separate and they're not as packed as tight. They're a little bit more freely to move around in a liquid. So this is what my molecules look like. Now I want you to think, why did the molecules change? What caused the molecules to change? How did the molecules get being from packed tight together in a solid to getting more space between them? What caused that change? What do you think? Now, to help us think what caused the change and kind of what's going on on the molecular level, we have a model to kind of help us with cause and effect relationship. So if you turn to the very next page, we're going to do number 1 because this is for video number 1. Number 2 is for video number 2 that you'll do tomorrow. Number 3 is for video number 3 that you'll do on Wednesday. And I think you do number 4 also on Wednesday, or maybe it's on Thursday. Sorry, I can't quite remember if you do 1 video per day, but I think there's one of the days that you're actually going to watch 2 videos. Yeah, that's true. On Wednesday, you're going to watch 2 videos. So on Wednesday, you'll fill out 3 and 4. So back to our number 1 video. So here you have the same phrase up here that you're seeing on your TV, on your computer screen. So we have a phrase that says blank causes a blank to change to a blank because blank. And down here at the bottom, we have a word bank. And again, you have all of this at the very top of this page as well. I want you to fill in the blanks with these words, which words you think, and write it here of what is happening in that video that we saw. For example, we saw a solid change to a liquid. So the second word right here would be a solid to change to a liquid. But now you have to kind of figure out, okay, what do you think caused the solid to change to a liquid? And then why? Because. So I'm going to give you a few minutes to work on that. If there's some words in the word bank and you're not quite sure what they mean, you're more than welcome to look them up and kind of help. So you're going to write your statement on your number 1. And I'm actually not going to go over it right now, kind of what the statement is, but we will at a later time. So that's all you're going to do for today. Tomorrow you're going to watch another video and you're going to do the same thing. I want you to draw what do you see happening, and then draw what's happening to the molecules with what we've learned about the different states of matter. Then I want you to fill out your number 2. And then you're going to do the same thing on Wednesday. You're going to watch another movie, but on Wednesday you're going to watch 2 movies. So the first movie you're going to watch on Wednesday, you're going to fill it out here. Draw what's happening and then write it here. Number 4, you notice there's no video box for number 4 here because video number 4 shows all 3 movies in one. So for example, we get to see an ice cube go from a solid to a liquid to a gas, all in one video. So on that video, after you watch it, you're just going to write the statement for 4. And since we're going to 2, we're watching a solid to a liquid and then a liquid to a gas, you're going to need 2 spots for that. So your first sentence will be from the solid going to a liquid, and then your 5th sentence, where it says number 5 here, or your second sentence for this part, you're going to put from changing from a liquid to a gas. So at the end of Wednesday, you should have all of these filled out. And you should have watched 4 videos. 3 of the videos are going to have drawings on this page. At the very end of Wednesday, then you're going to answer this last question. And then on Thursday, we're going to do episode 6. And I'll do a video for that one as well. All right. Hope you guys have a wonderful day and enjoy the videos. It's kind of cool to see some of the things that happen every day, but kind of watch them in slow motion. Have a great day, guys. Bye.